How to add and start watch party on your stream on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch. This is the homepage as you can see. Now go to the top here, click on your profile picture, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options. Click on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, now click on stream manager. Now after you click on it, now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on this plus icon as you can see. Scroll down, you will find start watch party option right here. Now click on add. Now I just started a watch party as you can see. You can choose here the Prime Video if you want to log in and sign up. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the end, see you later.